Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This video is a tutorial on how to build a portfolio website on SquareSpace. In this video, we will show you the step-by-step process for building a portfolio website on SquareSpace. So basically, we're going to show you how to set up your portfolio website from scratch on SquareSpace. For this, you simply need to go on squarespace.com and click on this Get Started button at the top right corner. And then you will be taken to this page where you can see there are many templates on SquareSpace. So SquareSpace helps you build your website online. And for that, they provide a lot of templates. As you can see, each template has a unique name. So since this video is about creating a portfolio website, to use a template for this purpose, all you need to do is scroll up on this templates page and tick mark on portfolio. As you can see over here, all the templates have been changed underneath and each one of them caters to portfolio. And there are a couple of nice ones over here. Take your time and go through these templates and choose any one. If you hover your cursor on your chosen template, you can see there is a start with the name of the template. If you click on that, you will be taken to the page where you need to set up your account, which is a very simple process. You can continue with your email if you haven't yet signed up, or if you are a member on the SquareSpace website, you can just log in. So let's just sign up with our email, and then you'll need to enter your first name, enter your last name, and then put in the email, put a password as well, and click on continue. Now, next you will be taken to the template editor. So in order to get to the template editor, there will be 4 steps which you need to finish. So the first one is to give your website a name. By default, this is the name given. So let's just edit it and give it a name. Click over here and type in your preferred name. We're going to give it a name, Photography Portfolio. After you've edited the name over here, click on this continue button and you'll be taken to step 2, which has the instructions on how to edit pages. So since we are using a template, you know that templates will have pre-existing pages, right? As you can see on the right side over here, a template will have pages. To add, edit and remove text or images and to customize a page, you can use this edit option over here. You can customize every section on the page of the template. So that's the second step. Then you'll need to click on next and you'll be taken to step number 3, where you can see there are instructions on how to create pages. So if you're not happy with the existing pages of the template, you can remove them. So you can add and remove pages in the pages panel. And when you're done, you organize them to create a navigation menu that helps your users explore your site. And you can see there is a small demo on the right side for it. Click on next and you'll be taken to the last step, which is how to style your site. Use this site styles icon to control your site's unique look and feel. You can customize your site by picking designer fonts and color themes. We're going to go through all of these steps. So for that, click on Get Started and you will be taken to the template editor. So this is how the template editor looks like. Now, let's look at how you can edit pages on your website. For that, click on the Pages tab, and then you will be able to view all the pages that are already existing in this template under Main Navigation. If you hover your cursor on any page, the Delete option will come on the left side, and on the right side, there is this Settings button. Now, to add a page, you simply need to click this plus icon, and you've got so many options. So to add a blank page, we're clicking on Blank Page, and you can see it appears over here. You can change the name. We are changing it to Contact Info because that was not there in the template. And once you're done adding the page, you can see on the right side the preview changes. This is the About page. Now you can see that the order is Contact Info, My Work and About, which is not really appealing. So if you want to change the order or rearrange pages, you simply need to drag them. And you can see we just dragged it over here and it has changed on the right side as well. Now that we've seen how to add a page, let's see how to design a page. Click on the Design tab and then click on Site Styles. Now in the right sidebar, there are a lot of options. The first one is fonts. If you click on font, you can see that this is the font style that this template is based on. And you can click on any of these presets and you can see the changes will get applied. The next one is colors. You can change the colors of these blocks on the page. And you have got these themes. So if you want, you can select any theme. Like to change a theme, you can just select it. And in each theme, there are custom colors as well. You can use the existing colors in the palette of the theme, or you can add a custom color. And whatever changes you do, click on Save under Done at the top left corner. Now let's see how we can edit like these elements or blocks on the page. So you can see there are many texts as well as images. Now let's see how you can edit any of these blocks. This is a text block. So if you hover your cursor on it, you've got all these options. First of all, let's change the text over here. We're going to add our name, and you can change the style of this text as well by choosing anyone from this drop down menu. You can also make it bold or italics or change its color and alignment as well. Let's give it a center alignment. Now let's look at how you can edit an image. So if you click on the image, you have these options, content and design. Let's change the image, and for that click on replace, and you can select an image from your PC just like we did over here, and you can see the image has been uploaded. You can edit this image. All these options are available, like you can change the brightness, the contrast, saturation, sharpness, or you can add a blur effect or give it a highlights effect or even shadows. Whatever change you do, click on Save and wait for the changes to get applied. And once that is done, then you can also go to the design tab over here, and you can change its fitting, like you can fit it or fill it, or you can give it a shape as well. And you can choose from all these shapes under shape. Each one can be previewed by simply clicking on it. There are the ratios as well. And once you're done with editing the image, just go back or click on the website itself and it will get saved. In this manner, you can change elements. Now you can see there is a big text over here. This is kind of an introduction. So let's show you how we can edit the text itself. So we're going to change this text first of all. It's too big, and we're going to add something like an introduction to what photography is. Now, once you've pasted your text, you can see that there are these editings that you can do as we did previously. You can change its style, you can change its color, you can add a custom color or choose from the template's colors, and you can change the alignment. Let's give it a center alignment, and you can see it looks pretty good right now. So if you want to add another block to this template, you can click on Add Block, and you've got all these options like text, image, video, social links, or you can embed from somewhere else. Let's see how to add an image. You just need to click on it and a block will appear. Click on Upload File if you want to upload from your system, and choose an image, and then you can see it has got uploaded. You can edit its size by simply dragging and placing this element or block wherever you want. In this manner, you can do all the changes in the template as per your preferences, and once you're satisfied with what you have created, then click on Done. And so this is how you can use squarespace.com to create your portfolio website. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope it has benefited you. Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. We'll catch you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed.